Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on CTSI. Recently, the price of CTSI has formed another down channel. You can see that for the past several weeks. Since after the first week of December 2024, it is moving channel. We had rejection here, bounce here, and then the bounce here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here recently. You can see that we had long spike beyond this support of the channel, but could not break it down. And we have also tested this very long-term support of 10 cents as well. And now for the past several days, it is again trying to break out the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you the previous breakout from this quite big falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that on the same daily time frame chart, we have already broken wedge. And by the way, this 10 cents was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this Fed. Therefore, this support was very significant, and you can see that the price could not break it down. Despite this long fight, the downside could not break it down. And I would also like to show you another very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I share. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sleepless AI, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 4th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this down channel. Since after the first week of December 2024, we got rejection here, bounce here, and then the bounce here. Almost had another rejection here, and almost had another rejection here, bounce here, and now the price end is trying to break out this resistance of the channel for the past several days. And in case of another rejection, it can again first test this very long-term support of 10 cents. That is, by the way, quite long-term support. And in case of breaking it down, it can drop down here at the support of this channel somewhere, approximately at 7 cents. But if the price then breaks out the resistance of the channel, then technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 24.5 cents. And if the price then reaches there, then we can also break out this very long-term up trend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this up trend line has been previously working as a very strong long-term support. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance here. And now after the breakdown, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of CTSI. Now here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 45 cents. But before that, we have a very strong and long-term resistance on from 26 point at 27 cents to 32 cents. That has been previously working as a resistance on here and resistance on here, support here, and support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of CTSI. And after that, it can, after breaking out this resistance line, it can hit the target here, approximately at 45 cents. That is the target for the breakout from this wedge. And now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very huge and massive down channel. By the way, we broke out this channel here in the month of October 2022. But since then, it was not able to break out this very long-term resistance line from 27 to 32 cents. Here for a while, we broke it out but found another down trendline resistance of this side. Therefore, the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel so far. And that long-term target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $1.70 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.